Last question. So I'm going to make my 7th project. Actually 6, but I know what to speak about on the 6th, and I would like to hear your point of view about the 7th project. Research your topic. What would you advise me to research this project? Yuri. It's very important questions.
It's very important, and I suppose the audience will be agree with me about my recommendation for you, because you deliver this point through your former maybe 3 speeches. But my recommendation is related with story about the famous German philosopher Schopenhauer. He was during dinner in one restaurant, and one girl or woman came to him and said, I had so problems with my husband. I have bad hair days every day. He is lazy, he put too less money, and he does not help me with my household. What do you understand me? Schopenhauer said, no. I don't understand you, but I understand your husband. What's my recommendation for you? Of course, say about your husband. Because we all know about him from your speeches. And we are all fans of your family. This is my recommendation.